Hi guys, what's up? VST here, Tech. This is not random. You seeing the blue screen of that, of course on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is not random. And I really mean this. I found a way how to crush my phone. But I just want to warn you guys first, I'm not sure if recreating this will actually work. But if you're seeing this video, then most probably it already have worked, else, yeah, you know, I will have just scrapped the video. And second, just please don't try this at home, okay? After I did what you're going to witness in 20-30 seconds, I experienced severe crashes on my phone. Using Chrome and saving pictures, crash. Trying to connect my Garmin watch with the Garmin Connect, crash. So at some point I was like, what did I do? I've been really crazy. Okay, so please be warned, don't try this, alright? Don't try this, don't do this at home with your phone. Why? Yeah, because you know, you have me and I'm doing this for you. Okay, let's get started. So what did I do? I wanted to test refresh rate and also frames per second. So what did I do? I just went inside my developer settings, okay, developers options, scroll down and just find something called show refresh rate. That one here, show refresh rate. When you enable this one, you are going to get the current refresh rate. And you know myself, I did a lot of videos testing the S22 Ultra with the S21 Ultra. Right now what we see that the S22 Ultra is dropping to 24 Hertz per second. Okay, and I also made this very important comment in one of my videos. Don't make this mistake. Don't confuse the refresh rate with the frames per second. Why? Because the refresh rate is showing you in hertz how often your phone is showing an image. 24 hertz, 24 times a second, okay? The FPS, the frame rate per second, is how often your phone using the GPU, the graphics card, is able to generate a frame, okay? So right now I only have the refresh rate in hertz. When I start moving around, you can see I go to 120, okay, that's completely okay. Now how do we display the frames per second? There is something called the GPU watch, and it's actually an insight tool created by Samsung. Okay, it's very easy to use. Games, GPU watch, get information about an app's CPU and GPU usage. Go inside, guys, enable it. I will make a separate video on this one. There are plenty of options, okay? Plenty of options you can display, you can add the widgets. What is important is that when we go on the main screen, we can now see the refresh rate also with the current average frames per second. So right now what do we see? We see that my phone is using the graphics card, the graphics processor unit, the GPU, to generate 99 frames per second, but my phone is showing 24 pictures per second, and that's the refresh rate. So when I keep scrolling, it's gonna be 120. What I was doing is I was testing here really with the latest launcher how good it is, because the animations really improved. See, now 120 refresh rate, and also the FPS almost going to 120, which kind of explains why I had this smooth experience. But see here, I was also complaining this animation is not so good. And see, every time I do like this, the FPS drops a bit. We have 120, images generated per second, but the frames are not so high. And this kind of gives the illusion of the micro stutter, right? Now, guys, what did I do to crash the phone? And again, I'm not sure if this is gonna happen, but open the camera. By opening the camera, you'll instantly see that the phone is gonna get to 60 refresh rate, 60 hertz per second, okay? Now what I did, guys, I tried to open the front camera. Now the camera, boom, now it works. Because in my previous attempts, guys, this action was causing my whole camera to kind of drop and quit, right? And then my phone would restart and I would experience, the horrendous problem that I told you. I was not able to use my phone straight like for 1 hour. Now I played a bit with this. The idea is really to get the phone hot. See, right now my camera is starting to crash already. So I'm not able to just go inside the camera, okay, and change my lenses. So if I keep play, yeah, you see, now my camera is absolutely crashing on random. Okay, see, if I want to do something, no. But see here, guys, the phone becomes unstable, right? And now my camera is crashing, and I'll keep doing this. I just want to see if my phone is going to restart, because this is actually what I was experiencing. Okay, you see? Oh my God, here it is, guys. Here it is. Now my phone is going to restart. That's what I was saying, guys. Don't do this here. See, don't do this at home. Because right now I will probably experience the same frustrating issue. See, now my phone is restarting itself and still I have here this leftover from testing the hertz. Guys, you're not supposed to do so. You're not supposed to run the refresh rate on the GPU watch. Again, if you want to do this, please do this on your own risk. I don't think anything bad can happen, but it might be the case that you have to kind of like reset your phone. So guys, now I will redo the whole experiment. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go inside the phone. Oh my God. Yeah, see, this is the bug I'm talking about. See here. See how slow it is, guys. Absolutely slow. All right, let me enter my PIN. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go straight inside my developer's options. You see how the phone is working? I'm not sure something happens. This kind of really breaks the One UI. So let me just go down. I'm going to again enable GPU watch. So let's just go down, GPU watch. I'm going to enable it. Okay, oh, actually it's already enabled. So, okay, I'm going to enable it back. All right. I also want to see the CPU temperature. See how bad my phone is working, guys. Usually this is really not how the S22 Ultra works, right? So definitely something happens when you have the refresh rate and when you have the FPS and when you open the camera. I think this just becomes too much for the phone. And yeah, your phone kind of dies. Refresh rate and GPU watch is a very, very bad combination. I think there is like a very logical explanation, right? You're not supposed to do so, like the phone is really just getting too much. I'm gonna open the picture right now. Okay, seems to be working. Now guys, I'm gonna open the camera again. Let me open the camera again. Open the camera. Now we have the front camera. I'm gonna go to video. No, oh, completely closed them. So guys, when I keep now open the camera, I will make the phone to crash again. Let me just see. I'm just showing you guys what I do. Okay, open the camera. Okay, now open Chrome. Trying to download an image. Okay, let's try to go for this one. Download an image. Okay, this still works. Yeah, okay. The first time I experienced this issue, again, I had like 60 tabs open with multiple browsers inside. But there is a reason, guys. I think when the phone utilizes the camera and you have the refresh rate and you have the FPS, this is just getting too much. See, it worked at the... Oh, and the phone is crazy hot, guys. I can tell you. Phone is crazy hot. Okay, see, camera just keeps crashing. I think at some point the temperature becomes so hot that there is no other option for the operating system but just to restart the phone because the phone just collapses, guys. Okay, so again, you have been warned. Don't try this, at home. Don't do this on your phones unless, of course, you accept the risk. So again, I think you probably might end up, worst case, just resetting your phone. Yep, I did it again. And it's very weird, guys. Samsung Galaxy phone restarting. We have here the refresh rate. Yeah, okay. Guys, I want to say this is not a bug, right? This is not really the intended behavior, so like normal people will not use the refresh rate and the GPU watch, but we are doing it to have fun and for the science. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to also subscribe, custom made by one of my sons. And yeah, guys, I hope that my phone is gonna be back to normal. Please, you and your family stay safe. VST over and bye.